Hello, my name is Om Hirapra and I am a graduate student in computer science. And today I made one web application using ASP.NET Core. So my project name is a hospital management system. I connected. This is my SQL database. Like as you can see that like A Hirapra is my database. Like it's all about things. I made tables like patient tables, doctor tables, billing, inventory, medical records. So I have a total of five tables. It's a patient table. I did a patient ID, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, phone number, email address, and I give primary key as a patient ID. Like that. I did for every each table and give a relationship uh, behind like or whatever I want as output. So I think it's a doctor table, first name, last name as a doctor specialization, doctor phone number, email, and all stuff. And it's about medical records. Yeah, it's medical record, record ID, patient ID, doctor ID, like which diagnosis patient have, treatment, and mainly data logged, like which enter some patient cam and then be certain doctor cam. It's a data logged coming from the date time. Has like other two one like billing and one inventory is same stuff. And I did views to gradually coming from output from the patient treatment. Like I made a view. I will show you. Yeah, so like what I did, like I created one this whatever I need the table. For example, I need a patient table, and then I did for the medical records table. So I put both table and giving whatever this query and execute the query. And yeah, it's created a view for me, so which is helped me to visualize my data through the charts. So it's all about that, all different kind of views. I will talk about later in application, so you can exactly memorize like how I define my views and all. So same as store procedure. It's a store procedure about all things like all store procedure are not used by me because I created one, but they have a navigation problem. So it's all store procedure. We have views, we do have tables, and all we are all set for from the SQL side. Yeah. Now we are have Visual Studio. So like yeah, this is my project Outlook. And yeah, it's my program.cs file which I have connection string through the app.setting JSON file. Here, yeah, I do the connection string and all stuff. And then I created a context file which we do have all models of individual tables and all stuff. So for that in dependency, I installed required packages, which is necessary for ASP.NET Core, and then I created this pages folder here. In that pages, like I do have my billing, doctors, inventory, medical records, patients, every each and individual table. Yeah, here I use data visualization for my having procedure and my views, which is I told you from the here database. So yeah, and yeah, all about is my CRUD operation which I perform. Yeah, I showed you that. In shared folder, I do have my hospital system main page and have main layout page. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, so yeah, this is my main Outlook page of the hospital management system. So yeah, having some hospital image and all stuff. When I click on the go to hospital system page, it's redirect to the hospital management system page, and user can select everything like hospital state. When I click on the New York hospital branch, North branch, are you a new patient? Nope. Mm. When I click submit, like, it's coming whether your response has been saved. That's good. And here I mentioned earlier is all tables: patient, doctor, medical records, billing, inventory, and all tables. Yeah. So when I click on patient table, I mean, yeah, patient data. Yeah, it's giving me all patient data which we have from the database, like the all patient details, like first name, last name, date of birth, and gender, phone number, email address, and everything. Like whenever new patient can, like I need to create their first name, last name, and put every necessary data. Yeah, I put. Just for the example, so put all data. Address. When I click on create, like it'll give me a new patient details here. Yeah, here we go. Boom. I just put all data. So like when I click on edit button, it will directly edit it. For example, like I change address to A to B, and when I click on the save button, it's reflect me here directly as UI side as well as database side. So when I click here on the delete, yeah, sorry, yeah, it's a delete this patient. Okay, yes, delete. Yeah, it's gone. So yeah, it's working on every single individual navigation. It's a doctor details, every doctor name, first name, last name, doctor specialization, phone number, for the contacts, email, and everything here. For the medical records, same as, yeah, diagnosis, like patient have asthma and all diagnosis, all treatment, like when patient came, for the data log and time, everything here. It's billing. It's giving all billing details about like which patient have uh, amount pending and already paid, when, everything, time, here patient name, we can see that all things. Inventory, like it's giving all item name, like aspirin, talk about bandages, this whole hospital stuff, like how many quantity we received and how many quantity we got, and all about the record level and everything. Yeah. So yeah, it's going for the doctor specialization. Like it's giving me the view of the doctor specialization. Where I put the image here. Yeah, it's how, which doctor available. I mean, how many doctors available for the one specialization. Like, for example, someone have the cardiological problem. Like, they on we do have only one doctor available for the cardiology. For example, like we do have like someone have dermatology problem, so we do have 3 counts right now available in that particular hospital branch. So it's coming by doctor specialization and doctor their count. It's, yeah, it give me by the charts also, like click here for the entire chart. Yeah. So like we can see that, like in cardiology we do have right now 1 count. Neurology, so do have 2 count, and yeah, general surgery do have 2 count, but the dermatology we do have 3 doctors available right now with that branch. So it's showing me the how many doctor available for that particular specialization. So yeah, it's a patient treatment, I mean patient diagnosis. So yeah, it will show me the how which patient have which diagnosis, like first name, last name, diagnosis name. For example, cancer. Diana Wilson have cancer treatment, which chemotherapy, which already she logged in hospital at this time and date. It's a patient all details, like, yeah. So like how many patients have different kind of problems, there are so many patients. So like hospital have distribution diagnosis chart, like which patient have more, like which diagnosis have more patients. For example, talk about the cancer as the highest ratio, right? So cancer, so 25 percentage among one that hospital branch have 25 percentage out of the 100%. So among 3 patients have cancer, like that. If it's a skin rush, 8.3 percentage have skin rush, like 1% have skin rush only. Yeah, as well as like medical records log over time. For example, like 10/11/2024, at that day how many patients came. So like 3 login. yeah, 3 patient came here. So like 12 here, one patient, and we talk about the 14 2024 at that day. It's at 4 log here. Yeah. So it will show that real live data from the chart as well as from the view. Yeah, patient billing status. So in patient billing status, like we do have first name, their last name, total bill, latest payment, and everything. Like for example, like John, do I have a total bill of $150 and have paid status. So like John Doe paid $150. That's clear. And Jane Smith 200 pending, but its status is pending. So like it's showing this your status about your payment details from the hospital. So like you can start in this chart, it shows like which patient have how many billing payment pending and paid. So it's stuff like that, like total bill. Diana Wilson have $500 and also like that. So yeah, go over the billing summary. It said nothing, but yeah, billing summary. Uh, in particular, one thing like first name and latest payment status. Nothing, guys. Like John paid or pending. Okay, pay. John is already paid. Jen is a pending. So it's coming for the paid or not paid. So for that I use a scatter plot chart, like whichever have paid amount, it's always 1, and whichever have unpaid, it's coming 0. Like paid, yeah, this amount 100 is paid, and 200 is coming to pending, 400 status paid. Yeah, it's coming for like that. So yeah, and here I go have my Google charts, which I redirect from all charts. It's a pie chart for the among all diagnosed patient among all hospital. It's a bar chart. We do have bar chart also. I use column chart to analysis total bill amount per patient, and we do have a line chart as well as scatter chart. Yeah, this is a line chart. Records logged for the patients and all. And here we have one more scatter chart, which is for billing summary, like which paid and unpaid things. So yeah, you can as you can use as many as you can. Like we have navigation space here, so that's why I use here. I do have more stored procedure views to redirect things like from the database and give an individual one. So yeah, this is my hospital management system. Thank you so much.